Alright, here's a question. It says 2 is what percent of 8? 2 is what percent of 8? Okay, let's write it down. It's question number 99. 2 is what percent of 8? Yan. So the quickest way to do this is that's 2 over 8. If you're going to reduce it, it's 1/4, which leaves us to 25%. That's it. Okay. So let's do another solution. That would be the detailed one would be 2 over 8. Our problem is how to reduce it. That's the first part. You have to reduce the fraction to lowest term, and they usually cancel it. That's divided by 2. So but if you are going to put it on paper, that would be multiplying this fraction by 2 over 2, which is the same as 1. So the value doesn't change. Okay. So that's 2 divided by 2, that's 1. And this one leaves you with a 4. Now, you're going to solve this by division. That means 1 divided by 4. Right? That would be 2, 8. 10 minus 8, that's 2. 20 divided by 4, that's 5. That's 0.25. So that's 0.25. To convert this into percentage, you just move the decimal point 2 places to the right, which leaves you with 25%. Okay. Now, to write the same question in algebraic form, okay, this is another solution. That is 2 is what percent of 8? That means 2 is what percent of 8? And you are supposed to find the x. Alright? So if the direct way of isolating the x is by they usually multiply this by the reciprocate. Okay, or you can do cross multiplication. This goes up here and the 8 goes down there, which makes it like 2 times 100 over 8 equals x. That's it. So this is 1 divide, that is 2 over 8. You cancel this one, this becomes 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25, which brings you with the answer, which is 25%. So you have that. 3 solutions. Okay. Let's get another one. The other one is familiarity. Okay. Based on the things that you already know. So usually the basic fractions like 1/4, you must be able to easily answer them if you try to memorize them. You have to know that 1/2 is 50%, 1/4 is 25%, 3/4 is 75%. What else? Let's deal with thirds. 1/3 is 33.33%. 2/3 is 66.67%. You have the fifths. 1/5 is 20%. 2/5 is 40%. Have 3/5 is 60%. 4/5 is 80%. Okay. Alright. I think that's good. And those are basically the easy ones. Oh, the tens. Of course, you have 1/10 is 10%, 2/10 is 20%, and so on. The eighths. 1/8 is like 12.5%. 2/8 is the same as 1/4, which is 25%. You have 3/8, which is 37.5%. You have 4/8, which is the same as 1/2, which is 50%. You have 5/8, which is 62.5%. You have 6/8, which is the same as 3/4, which is 75%, and 7/8, which is 87.5%. So that's it. Those are the basics. So if you kind of got a hold on this, if you get this, then it's quite easier to handle fractions in these multiples. Okay, 1/8 are in 12.5%. 1/3 are in 33.33%. 1/5 are in 20%, and 1/10 are in 10%. Of course, 1/4 is in 25%. So that's it. 2 is what percent of 8? That is 25. Alright.